What's the perfect gift for the most important woman in your life? Mother's Day is all about celebrating the love, care, and sacrifices of our moms. But finding the right gift can be tricky. Should it be thoughtful, practical, or luxurious? In this video, I'll share 10 amazing Mother's Day gift ideas that will make her feel truly special. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal one unique gift that most people never think of, but moms absolutely love.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best personalized gifts for Mother's Day? Personalized gifts show that extra level of thoughtfulness and make your mom feel truly special. A custom necklace with her children's initials or birthstones is a meaningful keepsake. A personalized photo book filled with cherished memories brings nostalgia and joy. A custom engraved cutting board or coffee mug with a heartfelt message makes a daily use item extra special. Love these ideas? Like this video and share it with someone looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift. What are the best DIY gifts for Mother's Day? Handmade gifts always carry extra sentimental value and show the love behind the effort. A homemade spa kit with bath salts, scented candles, and body scrubs gives her the relaxation she deserves. A handwritten letter or a "Reasons Why I Love You" jar fills her heart with happiness. A handmade scrapbook with photos, notes, and small keepsakes captures beautiful memories in a creative way. Love DIY gifts? Check the description for easy DIY Mother's Day gift ideas. What are some unique experience-based gifts? Sometimes the best gifts aren't things, but experiences. A cooking or painting class lets her explore new hobbies. Tickets to a concert, theater show, or a special event give her a fun-filled day to remember. A subscription box for gourmet food, books, or flowers keeps the surprises coming even after Mother's Day. Want more experience gift ideas? Check the description for the best experience-based gifts for moms. What are the best luxury gift ideas for Mother's Day? If you want to spoil your mom with a little luxury, here are some perfect options. A premium skincare or beauty set allows her to indulge in self-care. A high-end handbag or designer perfume makes her feel stylish and appreciated. A relaxing spa day or a weekend getaway gives her the break she deserves. Which luxury gift would your mom love? Comment below and let me know. What are the best tech gifts for moms? If your mom loves gadgets or could use a tech upgrade, these gifts are perfect. A smartwatch or fitness tracker helps her stay healthy and active. A digital photo frame that updates with new pictures automatically keeps family moments close. A high-quality coffee maker or smart kitchen appliance makes her daily routine easier and more enjoyable. Looking for tech gifts? Check the description for top-rated gadgets for moms. What are the best subscription gifts for Mother's Day? Subscription gifts keep the joy going all year long. A beauty or self-care box with skincare and wellness products lets her enjoy new pampering items every month. A book subscription based on her favorite genre keeps her entertained. A meal kit or gourmet food subscription makes cooking fun and convenient. Want to surprise your mom monthly? Check the description for the best subscription boxes. What are some budget-friendly Mother's Day gifts? You don't need to spend a lot to make your mom feel special. A heartfelt video message from family members is priceless. A cozy blanket or a personalized coffee mug is thoughtful and affordable. A bouquet of her favorite flowers with a handwritten note always brings a smile. Need more budget-friendly ideas? Check the description for gifts under $50. What are the best handmade gifts from kids? If you're helping kids create something special for their mom, here are some sweet ideas. A handprint or fingerprint artwork on canvas becomes a treasured keepsake. A homemade card with a heartfelt message adds a personal touch. A DIY flower pot with painted designs is both creative and useful. Looking for cute kid-made gifts? Check the description for adorable DIY ideas. Finding the perfect Mother's Day gift isn't about the price tag, it's about showing love and appreciation. Whether you choose a personalized, DIY, luxury, or experience-based gift, what matters most is making your mom feel cherished and celebrated. Which gift idea are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the best Mother's Day gift ideas.